This kid just attacked me. Just rushed me. And he's gonna safe right there. And he's gonna run now probably. Whenever I take that out. There he goes. Thug Malls. PKer of the day. What's up, YouTube? Taylordd here, coming back to you with PK commentary number 2. Yeah, we're going to get a marathon going here, hopefully soon. I understand the fact that my channel's been here for a total of 2 days, but yeah, I'm gonna get better, guys. I'm gonna get better PKing, still 66 range. I'm gonna get this up to 51, hopefully. I tried recording last night, but everyone was specking and running. I mean, everyone was just PJing and all kinds of bad stuff. I mean, it was just hell to PK. Honestly, it was awful. It sucked. I was tired. Well, I'm not complaining. Let's go have some fun. I'll be back whenever I have another fight. All right, this level 51 attacked me. Yeah, safe because I'm trying to pot. And now he's gonna run. Nope, 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 nope. Alright, I'm just going to go with the Gmaul spec here. Wow, of course, I take like 16 damage. I'm just having a bad day on RS today. Boom! Whew, gosh, thank the Lord. It's about time. I've just been getting specced on, and wow, this makes me feel less about my kill. FML. Gonna fight this kid. He doesn't want to skull, of course. What's up with this lag and this safe right here? Oh well, Runescape at its best. I'll just safe it up too. Wow, I'm just like spazzing out right now. Lagging so bad. So hard. PJ. What? What? No way. No way. There's no way that took that much HP. I will be back whenever I have another fight. I've been PJ'd twice since I stepped in the wilderness. I've upgraded to room knives. I'm going to safe until I get potted. This is an obby mauler. As everyone should know, I hate obby maulers. Who doesn't, right? It's going to be a KO. Sit down, PJ'er. Bye. That's kind of a dick move, but whatevs. Host, donkey, 40k. Do I have to right click? Nope, let's go. Oh my gosh, what the... That was a 33 combo. Oh, 28. Dang. He's rather low HP, so he must have really high strength. See, 24 is almost about ready to kill him. I'm thinking he has one spec left. These rune knives are just so beastly. Come on, get hit higher, hit harder. Dang. Oh, ah. Come on. I have no more left, probably. Whoa! What's going on here? Oh well, I'll be back whenever I have another fight. Hey guys, it's gonna be the last fight for this video. I'm really sick of PKing at this level. Everyone's complaining about not having a team cape, or your knifes hit too fast, or they don't want to skull, but they want you to get a risk when they don't have a risk. It just doesn't make sense to me. It bugs the crap out of me. PJers are ridiculous at this level. It makes me want to get defense, but I'm not going to. Ooh, I like those flowers. Those are the best. Anyway, if you like what you see, give it a like. Maybe even subscribe for fun prank videos and PK videos, and to watch me grow. Thanks for watching, guys.